Hey YouTube, what's up? Dory1017 here. I don't have a hair video because I have not been doing anything with my hair. I did promise you all I would come on here. I didn't wash my hair. I've just been wearing a drawstring. Let me show y'all how I have it. I have it tied down now. But I have a part in the middle and I slicked it down with some Eco Styler argan oil gel. Well, first I used some edge control. I moisturized it first, just put a little leave-in conditioner, and then I put an oil on top, and then I added just to the mainly to the edges the edge control, and then I added gel on top of everything. Well, after I added the the edge control, I brushed everything. And then, y'all, my hands are ashy. Ooh, please excuse. I'm getting ready to do my makeup to go somewhere. But yeah, so I brushed everything down, and as you can see, my hair is so thick. It's like 2 lumps right here. I can't really get those to lay flat, but it's all good. And then once I got everything in the ponytail, I put in a braid, and then I added another scrunchie to just bun it up, and then I just add my little drawstring puff on there, and that's it. I've just been keeping it super simple, like super simple. I got tired of the wig just a little bit. I still love it, but I didn't feel like having any hair in my face. So yeah, the next day after I made that last video, actually, when I got home, I slicked it down and wore my drawstring puff. It's just so easy. It's just, I mean, the wig is easy too, but again, I didn't want anything in my face. I just wanted everything out of my face. I had been wearing hair over my face for a long time, and I just felt like I needed a break. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm just gonna get ready to, why do I feel like I look a little orange right now? I'm actually sitting in front of a window, natural lighting, but I feel like I look orange. I guess those are my undertones. It look like I got on highlighter, but I don't. It's just moisturizer. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm getting ready to do my makeup. I guess I could, I don't know, start doing my makeup, because I mean, I'm not really gonna be doing anything else. So first thing I'm gonna do is drink some water. Because my throat is dry. Second thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my lips. I'm looking up here when I should be looking over here, but I got it on sale for 44 cents at Target, and I absolutely love it. I actually bought everything that was there, that was left. I don't know how much they retail for, but when I saw they were 44 cents, I snatched all of them up. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is moisturize, and I'm gonna moisturize with this. This is a sample size that I got from Sephora of the Jack Black Clean Break oil-free moisturizer. Y'all, I still have kids, so there will always be noise in the background. So please excuse. Then I'm going to prime with my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock mattifying primer. Love this stuff. It's bomb. This one's almost done. I'm gonna rub that all over, even down here, because I bring the foundation down here. All right, so now I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm trying to get it to focus, in 30 medium dark. And I'm going to set my face, because I'm an oily girl, and I set my face with translucent powder before I put on my foundation. So I'm gonna take this Colourpop concealer in dark 32, Colourpop no filter concealer in medium dark 32, and I'm just going to place it on my eyes. This is my eyeshadow primer / eyebrow cleaner. I'm gonna use whatever I have on the brush to clean up my brows. Let me see if I could try to use this mirror too, since it's closer. Yeah, this is better. And this is a concealer brush that I got off of eBay, y'all. e.l.f. has concealer brushes for cheap too. I'm just using it to prime my lids and clean up my brow. For those people who may get offended at this video because my kid is in it, you can go ahead and click off the video because this is my life, okay? Take me as I am or leave me be. It's all good, I won't get offended. But my kids are a part of my life. They're always gonna be here. Colourpop Yes Please palette. I'm gonna go into Louis, which is that orangey shade right there. And I'm just going to blend it above and in my crease. So now I'm going to take the next shade, which is the one below it, this dark brown shade. This is called Mischief. And I'm just going to put that below the orange, right in the crease. Blend it away. And this is a V5 blending brush from BH Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna go back in with this Morphe brush and go back into that orange and just blend the orange and the brown edges together so it can be seamless. Well, I guess I should say the names of the shades. Louis and Mischief. For my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with Big Cocktails, which is this light peach matte shade. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Blend that in with this flat shader brush. Right now, for the lids, I'm gonna go back in with that brush. I wiped it off. And I'm going to go into, what's this shade called? GNO. This shade right here. It's like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's pretty. It's kind of like a peachy orange shade. It's beautiful. I'm just taking that and putting that all over my lid. Very nice. All right, now on to foundation. That's it. Easy eye look. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm gonna use this NYX Total Control foundation. But this is in the shade Cappuccino. And I'm just shaking it up because it's been sitting there. And then I'm going to take it and just drop it on my face. Kind of drop and pat, just so I don't get any dripping anywhere. I really don't want it to drip. Like how they be doing them Instagram commercials that they be like. Shop Miss A for $1.55. So, just patting it all over. This sponge is so good, y'all. If you are looking for a extremely affordable sponge, that's equivalent or even better than the Beauty Blender, this is it. Shop Miss A Papa blender sponges. I've been gone for a little minute because I had to take a call, but I had to put my rag back on because my gel was like flaking back here. Why is my battery already dying? Sucks, man. So I already blended out the foundation. Go ahead and with my concealer, I'm going in with, I'm just gonna have to mix these. C13. This Makeup Revolution concealer, Conceal and Define Concealer in C12.5 and C11. So I'm gonna take those two to highlight my face. This is C12.5. And I'm gonna go over it with some C1211 to. That's the thing I hate. I like really couldn't stand about this camera. The battery was always like going out on me while I was recording. I don't know what the heck is going on, but whatever. So just gonna add that C11 to there to help brighten everything up. I'm going to take this black Radiance loose powder, loose setting powder, True Complexion, and I'm going to use that to set those highlighted areas. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the face powder. This is my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. This is Target Up and Up powder brush. I'm just patting it on top of my face and on top of the loose setting powder as well. So I don't sweep that powder away. I pat everything on top. Now I'm going to contour. So I'm going to take this black Radiance contour. Well, I don't know what they call this brush, but I use it for contour. Ruby Kisses, bought it from the Beauty Supply. Ruby Kisses powder contour kit. It was $7.99. I'm gonna take the second to last deepest shade on the warm side and contour my nose. So I just dip the brush in there and then contour. Take it where underneath the eyebrow, the beginning of the eyebrow, and just bring it down. Want it to look like it's coming down from this way. Alright, I'm gonna go under my chin, contour, cut that. So we're part of the double chin committee. That's what we do here. Hey guys, so my video cut off after this portion here. So I just continued to contour my face. My battery had died and it was time for us to go, so I could not finish the video. But thank you so much for watching. And here is the pic of the finished look.